Good day, everyone, and welcome to FXDD webinar. Sorry for rescheduling the webinar yesterday. Had some technical problems, so here we are now with Fibonacci for Beginners. And well, I hope that you will enjoy it. This webinar is being recorded and will be uploaded to YouTube channel. Now, before we start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. Please educate yourselves on the risks associated with Forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. And without any further ado, I will continue with the webinar right now straight to the chart. So guys, if you remember, I've been using FXDD live account for more than a full year. And I've seen many comments, and I see also a lot of people investing with FXDD, and I'm glad that I helped you to gain confidence with FXDD, and I can assure you that the platform is very good, and this is so far my personally best result, and FXDD is really a great broker. I'm very happy to show you, and I'm very proud to present my new milestone on the account. It's $70,000 straight from 10,000. So my gain by trading my own methods with FXDD is 600%. Of course, you can follow my FX book account here on, you can follow this account on myfxbook.com. This is it. The account is fully verified. Okay, and you can see that the account is 600 up from percent up from 10,000 to 70,000. This is manual trading. This is not automated trading, and due to very extreme accuracy of my method and correct risk management, I was able to bring the account up to 70,000 for more than a year. You can see. And this drawdown here is only from profits. It means from profits, the deposit was never at risk, only from profits. This is my trading style, and this is how I do. And I hope that you are, of course, also enjoying that you are enjoying trading with me if you are a part, of course, of FXDD. So watch these webinars. I have educational webinars. I have also these trading webinars, live trading, so always come and join. Now, before we start with Fibonacci, I will actually open the platform, and I will tell you that on Fibonacci tool, you need to add a few more levels. So here we go. You go to Insert, Fibonacci Retracement. Have in mind that Fibonacci retracement is used for trend trades. So this is, as I say, Fibonacci for beginners. We will have also Fibonacci for advanced traders. So the first thing is that you need to know that Fibonacci is used for trend placements. So when you put Fibonacci retracement tool, you expect market to actually come to one of those points and react accordingly. The point with Fibonacci here is you always place it from left to right. So always go from past to present. Okay, so if this is the swing here, we place it from the bottom of the swing to the top of the swing, and we see where markets have reacted. So here we go. You see it's 50% of retracement, and the market rejected. So whenever you want to place Fibonacci in trend, you place it from the left to the right to get those retracements. So insert Fibonacci retracement from the left to the right. If you go with other swings, then you always use the last swing. So from this point to this point, okay? Then again, rinse and repeat from this point to this point. These are all swings, guys. Of course, you can do that also on higher time frames, but the higher time frames, the less swings you will see. Again, from left to right. Okay, always, guys, from left to right. See this. And you see how market respects those Fibonacci numbers. This is my personal indicator that I use for trading the SIT system. And basically, this indicator also takes swings and places correct Fibonacci retracements lines. And I use this indicator to go with my Camarilla MACD SIT 1, 2, 3 trades and Camarilla MACD SIT discretionary trades. So it's very, very accurate. And you can see by trading my method that the results are outstanding. Just tell me, guys, how many times you have seen that a manual trader has been able to bring the account for more than 600%. Well, this is one of the reasons why I love this job. I'm totally dedicated to it. And for every single trader who comes and watches my webinars, I'm always at disposal, guys. I'm very, very happy to show you that being profitable is possible. But the big problem with traders is they are not aware that holy grail is the money management. You need to be accurate, but you also need to have very, very good money management technique. So money management is the holy grail, of course, with having a good system. And here we go. Again, just use previous swing. In uptrend, it's from the bottom to the top, from the left to the right. In order to get all of these Fibonacci levels, you go to objects lists, and then you go to Fibo, and you click edit. When you do this, you can add percentage and dollar sign. If you do that, you see here, now we see the exact levels, okay? So 00 is 3302. So for these guys, this is how I do it. I click edit, and I click 00 fib. And I do a percentage and dollar sign. For 23.6, you also add fib, percentage, dollar sign. 38.2, similar thing. Okay, let me quickly do it. And you just copy paste this. So this is tutorial. Here we go. For all these levels, here we go. Here we go. You don't need to use this. You can delete it, delete it, delete it. But you add 78.6. How you add it? Here you type 0.786. Okay, so you type 0.786, and here in the description you type 78.6 fib, percentage, and dollar sign. For 88.6, you type 0.886 in the description field, 88.6 fib, percentage, and dollar sign. Then you need to add 14.6 and 9, because for this 14.6 and 9, we will have Fibonacci advanced webinar. Okay, so this is just introduction to Fibonacci. So this is why I will be making this as simple as possible. And then we will be going, of course, with Fibonacci advanced in one of our next webinars. So 0.46 is 14.6, and we add fib and percentage and dollar sign. 0.09 we add here 0.09, then 9 fib and percentage and dollar sign. If you do this, you can change the color, you can change the line, and you click OK. Now, guys, you see it's exactly as it's much easier. Now you see the fib retracements and the exact levels where those fibs are placed. Okay, 32.2, you see all of these are very accurate. Once more, in the uptrend from left to the right. If it's a downtrend, guys, you go from the left to the right, but from the top to the bottom. So you place Fibonacci retracements from the left to the right. Here you see, from the top to the bottom. Always add it. Once the swing has been completed, you go from the left to the right, from the top to the bottom, guys. Here we go. Always use, no matter which time frame, you can use, of course, different time frames and see different swings. The point with Fibonacci is it's technically proven to work in Forex market, commodities, equities, The thing here, I won't be explaining who Fibonacci was. You have heard many times who Fibonacci was, what are his numbers. I can just tell you that it works. And it's a very good thing for all of you who want to trade price action to use these Fibonacci retracement ratios. In my opinion, 88, there are three levels, guys. Now I will explain. Three major levels. The first level is shallow retracement. Shallow retracement happens in a very strong trend. So when trend is strong, the first level of shallow retracement is, this is the first level, 9, 14.6, and 23.6. So this is the first retracement level. It's so-called shallow retracement. Then we have standard retracement that usually comes with, let's say, normal trending markets. And the standard retracement is level 2 retracement zone. The level 2 retracement zone is 38.2, 50, and 61.8. So this is level 2, standard retracement. Then we come to the level 3. Level 3 is so-called deep retracement. Deep retracement is the retracement that usually happens prior to reversal. But it's very, very accurate because usually at 78.6 and 88.6, you will see that price will 70-80% of the time reject from these levels and will definitely go up. For live trading that I do with my group on my FXDD account, I send usually signals and trading ideas on Telegram with Camarilla MACD Core and Camarilla MACD Sit. In the future, I plan to also use 78 and 88.6 retracements. So guys, this is something that I've been studying for many, many years. And I can say that this is the strongest zone for retracements. Level 3 or deep retracement. When price hits these levels, usually it will correct itself to 50 and 61, 50 and 38.2, and then it drops. So this is good for placing deeper retracement trades when trend is going down, down, down. When retracement is going down, this is still trend, and price usually tends to react heavily around 78.6 and 88.6. So follow, guys, these basic principles. Okay, this webinar, as I say again, is being recorded. It will be uploaded to YouTube, FXDD YouTube channel. Subscribe to FXDD YouTube channel. Again, have in mind that my account is 60% up, and I'm using a live FXDD account. So again, do not forget to follow trade setups, because I'm sure that by following my webinars and ideas, trading signals, you can be successful trader. So here we go again. 78.6, once more. First level of retracement, so-called shallow retracement. Usually happens in a strong trend, okay? Usually happens in a strong trend. Level 1. Level 2 is standard retracement. Usually happens when trend is standard. And level 3 is deeper retracement. Deeper retracement when market is close to reversal. It usually rejects, come to 38.2 or 50, and then drops. It's very good to place trades around 88.6. For all of you who still struggle with placing Fibonacci expansion tool, it will be explained in Fibonacci Advanced webinar that I will present in the future, of course, probably next month, of course, with FXDD. So stay tuned to that webinar too. Again, do not forget the main principle. Always from left to right. In uptrend, you place Fibonacci retracements from the top to the bottom, from the bottom to the top in uptrend. And in downtrend, you always place retracements from the top to the bottom, always from left to right, always. Here we go. You see 14.6 rejection. This is why I'm saying this trend is very strong here, and you see this rejection from 14.6. I think that this is more than enough for introduction of Fibonacci. Guys, forget about theory. Who was Fibonacci? What those numbers are. Just focus on practical things. The main thing is to make money. That is why I never ever am, I don't like to theorize a lot. I'm very practical guy, and I always say the point of trading, guys, is to make profits. The point of trading is to keep things as simple as possible. Always try to keep things as simple as possible. Because of that, you will always have the ability to follow my FX book here. FXDD account, more than a year, 70,000. And this is the proof that my trading methods and education works like a charm. Okay? Thank you for listening. If you have any comments, any questions, feel free to comment in the video below. This was Fibonacci for Beginners. I hope that you enjoyed. See you very soon. Cheers. And as always, trade safe.